In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new tag in Zendesk. It's a simple process that can help you keep your tickets organized and improve how you manage customer support. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to add custom tags effortlessly, resulting in a much more streamlined workflow. Let's get started by opening any ticket in Zendesk. It doesn't matter whether it's a new ticket or one that's already existing. You can choose either. Once you have the ticket open, take a look over at the sidebar. This is where you'll find various fields that help you manage and categorize your tickets. And today, our focus is on the Tags field. This field is essential because tags, once properly utilized, can significantly enhance how you search for and identify tickets later on. Now, within the Tags field, you'll want to carefully type in the tag you desire. There are some guidelines to keep in mind here for successful tagging. Make sure you use only lowercase letters, numbers, underscores, hyphens, or slashes. This makes the tags uniform and easy to search for in the future. It's a good practice to think of a name that will be recognizable and relevant to your team members, as this clarity is key to effective use of tags. After you've entered your chosen tag, you have two options to confirm it. You can simply press the Enter key on your keyboard, or alternatively, type a space. Either of these actions will create the tag, even if the particular tag you're using doesn't already exist in the system. This means you have the flexibility to introduce new tags on the fly, adapting to your evolving organizational needs without any hassle. Once that's done, make sure to click the Submit button. This is an important step because it saves all the changes made to the ticket, including your newly created tag. By doing so, you confirm the association of this tag with the current ticket, ensuring that it's seamlessly integrated into your database. And there you have it. Your tag is now successfully created and linked to your ticket. You can use these procedures to keep things consistently organized across all your Zendesk interactions. The ability to create and apply custom tags as you need them can certainly make a huge difference in managing ticket flow and reporting effectively. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful for you. Don't forget to experiment with different tags and see what systems work best for your specific use case. This flexibility gives you the power to tailor your Zendesk experience to fit your team's unique workflow. Thank you for tuning in, and happy tagging.